What if the key to a vibrant, healthy life lies in the foods you eat? Imagine protecting your kidneys while indulging in delicious meals. Today, we'll reveal the ultimate superfoods that not only safeguard your kidneys, but also enhance your energy and well-being. Don't miss out on these game-changing foods that can transform your health. Welcome back to Health Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition to explore the top foods that support kidney health. Our kidneys are unsung heroes, working tirelessly to filter waste, regulate fluid balance, and maintain electrolyte levels. So, let's uncover the best foods to keep your kidneys in top shape. 1. Leafy greens. First up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These nutrient-dense vegetables are not just low in calories. They are also packed with essential vitamins such as A, C, and K. Vitamin A is vital for immune function and maintaining healthy skin, while vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals that can damage kidney cells. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, leafy greens are rich in magnesium and potassium, minerals that are important for heart health and muscle function. Try adding a spinach salad or a kale smoothie to your meals for a kidney-friendly boost. 2. Berries. Next, let's talk about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but also brimming with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are known to protect kidney cells from damage. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are significant factors in the progression of kidney disease. Berries are also low in sugar and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for those monitoring their blood sugar levels. Add a handful of berries to your morning yogurt or oatmeal for a nutritious start to your day, and enjoy their sweet flavor while reaping the health benefits. 3. Fish. Moving on to fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to damage in kidney tissues, so incorporating omega-3s into your diet is vital for kidney protection. Studies suggest that omega-3s may help lower the risk of chronic kidney disease and improve overall kidney function. Moreover, fatty fish provide high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and overall health. Aim to include fish in your diet a couple of times a week. Consider grilling salmon with a sprinkle of herbs for a flavorful, healthful meal. 4. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are another fantastic addition. Varieties like black beans, lentils, and chickpeas are loaded with protein and fiber, which can help stabilize blood sugar and promote a feeling of fullness. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help regulate cholesterol levels, which is crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health, an important factor for kidney function. These legumes are also lower in potassium compared to many other protein sources, making them suitable for those on a kidney-friendly diet. They are rich in folate, iron, and magnesium, all of which are essential for energy production and muscle function. Try swapping out meat for lentil soup or black bean tacos for a hearty and nutritious meal. 5. Apples. Don't forget apples. This humble fruit is a powerhouse for kidney health. Apples are high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can help lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels. The antioxidants in apples, including quercetin, can reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress, which is particularly beneficial for kidney health. Furthermore, apples are low in potassium, making them a safe choice for those with kidney concerns. They also provide vitamin C, which supports the immune system and overall health. Snack on an apple with nut butter or add sliced apples to your salads for a crisp, sweet crunch. 6. Cauliflower. Next on our list is cauliflower, a versatile vegetable that can be used in various dishes. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C and vitamin K. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps maintain healthy blood vessels, including those in the kidneys. Vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, cauliflower contains a compound called indole, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases by neutralizing harmful substances in the body. Its high fiber content aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Try cauliflower rice as a low-carb substitute for grains, or roast it with spices for a delicious side dish. 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are another excellent food for kidney health. They are loaded with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, immune function, and skin health. Sweet potatoes are also rich in fiber, which helps regulate digestion and maintains steady blood sugar levels. Their lower glycemic index compared to regular potatoes makes them a healthier carbohydrate choice, helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar. Mash them, bake them, or add them to soups for a nutritious twist. 8. Olive oil. Let's not overlook healthy fats. Olive oil is a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Using olive oil in cooking or as a salad dressing can provide anti-inflammatory benefits, improving blood circulation and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The polyphenols in olive oil have been shown to have protective effects on the kidneys by preventing inflammation and oxidative stress. Olive oil can also help improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, enhancing your overall nutrient intake. Drizzle some over roasted vegetables for added flavor and health benefits. 9. Garlic. Garlic deserves a shout-out too. Not only does it add flavor to your dishes, but garlic also contains compounds that can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. These benefits are crucial because high blood pressure and cholesterol are significant risk factors for kidney disease. Garlic is rich in allicin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, supporting overall kidney health. Incorporating garlic into your meals can also promote a healthy immune response, further protecting your body from chronic conditions. Consider adding minced garlic to your stir-fries, soups, or sauces to enhance both flavor and health. 10. Whole grains. Last but not least, whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are essential for kidney health. They are high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Fiber can also help regulate cholesterol, further supporting cardiovascular health. Whole grains provide complex carbohydrates, which are essential for sustained energy. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their bran and germ, offering more vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Start your day with oatmeal topped with fruits, or enjoy a quinoa salad for lunch. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly impact your kidney health and overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet is key to prevention. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more health tips. What's your favorite kidney-friendly food? Let us know in the comments below, and together, let's keep our kidneys happy and healthy.